Alright guys, I got a Honda Accord here. This is a V6. I got my car parked outside. A question from a viewer. The radiator fan and the AC fan, how do they work? Alright, meaning let's say I drive this car for 20 minutes. Are they on, running all the time? So it's nice and hot and I got the AC on blast. Let's say I'm driving 20 to 30 minutes. If I stop, if the AC still running, the car still running, are they gonna be working? So just to give you an idea, both of these fans supposed to work as soon as you put the AC on, but they do go on and off in between. Let's say it's not too hot outside, then according to the temperature, they will go on and off. But they should be running. Also, this AC line over here, I'm gonna show you that. It should have, like, if your AC is really good, that AC line should be wet with the moisture, right? That's determining that your AC is really good. But I'm gonna take the car outside I have. We're gonna drive it for 20 to 30 minutes. It's like 6 miles. Then we're gonna stop and take a look at the fans, all right? They're both gonna be running, I know that for sure, but let's see what we get, all right? Bam! Hey, this is for the guy who asked me to make a video on AC fans because he has doubts about how the fans run. About a Accord from 2003 to 7, all right? So he's lucky I got my Accord here, so it takes me a good 30 minutes to get home. So what I'm gonna do is hop into this car. All right, let me put my keys away. I'm gonna hop into this car. All right, there's the Honda key. And I'm gonna put the AC on and I'm gonna drive home. And when I get home, I'm gonna open the hood and I'm gonna let you know how the fans come on and off. All right, that's my middle one. That's our picture. But okay, my alarm went off. All right, so the fans usually come on and off, all right? But this person was curious to how my fans react, all right? So I'm gonna put the AC on, all right? Oh, I forgot my phone inside the shop, so I'm gonna have to run back. But anyways, let me go back and then we'll continue the video. I'm back, got my phone, and I got a picture of my little ones there. All right, the big one and the little one. All right, that's the little one when she's probably like 3 years old, I believe. All right, anyways, so we're gonna drive this car, then I'm gonna stop halfway, and he told me 30 minutes, so it should be good 30 minutes by the time I get home. All right, I don't want to blast it, but the fan's supposed to come on and off, just to let you know, all right? But depending on the temperature of the system, the computer is gonna command it to just blast if it needs to, all right? So there you go, I got my AC on, it's nice and cold. I got it on the lowest temperature. I don't want to freeze myself either, so I'm gonna put it on like 63 degrees. All right, make a left turn here. It's time for us to go home. This is the most dangerous intersection I've ever been on. You just gotta be careful. All right, so got a shot at this. All right, so good 6 miles. I'm like halfway home. All right, so we'll continue. All right, well, heading home, probably a mile into the destination. AC still blasting, 63 degrees. Ah, come on, UPS, don't do that. Let's keep it going. There's gonna be a park coming up on the right side. I'll pull up a hip ahead. It's almost like probably like 3 miles up ahead more. And then I'll show you the fans. See what they acting like. My favorite part when I go home, it's nice. It looks like a little cave going through these trees. What a good, nice spot. When it snows, it looks real nice. I'll make a video down the road for you guys. Looks real nice. All right, 2 more miles and then we should have a park to our right, and I'll pull over and we'll check. So there's the park that I was talking about, and we're gonna find a good spot, probably up ahead at the end of the park, probably down the road. It's only been 10-15 minutes. And then I'll pop the hood open. If I feel that I should go, I'm gonna keep it going. There's no parking here. Yeah, today's a busy day. All these people in the park. So let's go up ahead, close to my house, and then we'll just pop the hood open, or maybe in my backyard, because that's gonna be another good 20 minutes. So it should be good 30-35 minutes into the drive. So once I land home, I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys how the fans are working, coming on and off, or they're staying on all times. All right. So I didn't reach home, but there's the time. You probably noticed it. AC is still running. Car is still running. Just want to see something under the hood for you guys. Alright, so these AC fans are running, alright, all time. Alright, AC compressor is running all times. AC compressor is running. Let me get my phone so you can see it with the light. That's what I remembered. Other than that, my phone would have been in the shop. Alright, so there's the fan. It's running. Compressor is running all time. And the fans are running all time, non-stop, right? So there you have it. And the line has water on it. That's how your AC line should look like, alright? If your AC is running good, see this fat line? It should be nice and cold, alright? You should have water on it, moisture, just like that, alright? So your AC is in good condition, it's running, making cold. It should have moisture buildup on it, alright? And your fan should be running. That's about it.